Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we need to convert these two diagrams into a triangle, and in that also we need to take half the area of pentagon plus this triangle into one triangle. So what I will do, first I'll find out center point of this pentagon, let's say point 1. Then I'll take this height and I'll cut 3 times. See, this is 1, 2 and 3. Then I will bisect 2 and 3. Why I'm doing this? Because I want half the area of pentagon. See, you'll get point 2.5. Then you join this. So what I have done, I have converted this pentagon into a triangle, half the area. Area of triangle, let's say this is AOB, is equal to half the area of pentagon ABCDE. Now we have one more triangle PQR where the maximum side is there. What I need to do, I need to extend the base, and here also whichever is the maximum side, BO or AO, that you will cut on this side. So I'm taking BO and cutting it over here. Then I'll take AO and I'll draw arc from here. Then I'll take AB and from here I'll cut. So I'm drawing that half the area of pentagon wala triangle over here. After that, we need to convert these two triangles into one triangle. So this is S. So instead of ABO, now we have triangle BOS. Then I will join P to S and I will draw parallel to this. See this. Then I'll extend, this is PSR. So then I'll extend this line. Wherever it will cut, that will be T. So instead of PSR, now we have PST. And the entire triangle is POT. So I can write that area of triangle POT is equal to area of triangle PQR plus half the area of pentagon ABCDE. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.